So hey there, my name is Christy Joyce. I am the Chief Marketing Officer for a company called ANCO Equipment and Solutions. We have a small team, and over time, the technical engineers also wear a dual hat of being in the sales role. So while they had deep industry knowledge, they didn't necessarily have deep sales backgrounds, and they were being asked, probably not in a bad way because it is a highly technical industry, to wear both hats. Change is great. It was very engaging. It was humorous, and it gave everybody an opportunity to test it out and just think about a new way of doing something. We walked away with some rejuvenation, if you will, that we had not had in a long time. What I was really excited about with the strategic workshop is the pace and the enthusiasm. And you could just feel the excitement from the SalesStar team, and the fact that they didn't let us move faster than we were ready to move. And it's like, either feeding them bite-sized pieces so we can digest it properly, or drinking from a fire hose, and you guys fed us the pieces in a way that was very digestible, if you will, pardon the pun. There seems to be much more of this synergy with the team. They seem to be getting along better. They seem to be more engaged with one another. I know that that's a direct result of the workshop. There are a lot of companies out there that go, it's the one-hit wonder. We're going to come in, we're going to teach you how to, kill it in sales, and we're going to walk away and, wash our hands. And I think with SalesStar, it's a different methodology than the typical norm in that sales space. And I think what I would recommend is to any, small, medium, large company that wants to change the behavior and change the trajectory and success of their sales team, and do it in a fresh new way that builds relationships as opposed to just hard selling. I think, what SalesStar brings to the table is more than just selling. What I've learned over 30 plus years in my career is finding that right partner that aligns with the team and has the same core values. And you guys are genuine.